Stop doing this if you want to make money online. Most people fail here. Give a man a fish and you feed him for a day. Teach a man to fish and you feed him for a lifetime. Affiliate mentor, home-based business. Here's the truth. If you're banging your head trying to make money from home or trying to make money online, it doesn't have to be difficult. It can be very simple. But you could stop doing what's failing you over and over again. The very definition of insanity is doing the same thing over and over again and expecting a different result. If you get your affiliate link and you're sending them to the company page, you're not building your business, that's not it. And you're going to keep on failing and failing over and over again. And you're not going to get to where you want to be because you got to brand you and you got to teach people how to succeed. But if you don't succeed, how are you going to teach anybody? We have a simple system. People are ranking over and over and over again on YouTube and even Google sometimes, over and over again with this simple system. We'll show you exactly what to do day in, day out. The very simple system, and you can give this with, it's very complex though, because it's all broken down, copy and paste simple. And you're not only going to learn how to do this day in and day out, follow the simple system, but you're going to be able to give this system to everybody else. Not only are you going to be able to have a phone call if you start with this business with a number one leader in this company, but everybody you bring in will be able to access him daily, actually, because that's what I'm doing. I don't meet 11. He has a certain time every single day. Well, 6 days a week. Even God rested on the seventh day, where you can meet him online and go over how to make your business work, no matter what business it may be. What your number one opportunity is, he's going to help you build your business step by step and make sure you're good. And wherever you have problems with, he'll help you live. Now, who else is going to do that? Who else is going to, and these are bonuses, by the way, bonuses for you that will build any business you want. Affiliate mentor, home-based business. See, remember when I said that quote about give a man a fish, you feed him for a day, teach a man to fish, and you feed him for a lifetime? If you plug into this system and you get these bonuses, you can build any business learning the skills that are in this system. You can make, and more than that, not only can you learn it, you can make a clone army of you duplicating yourself over and over again. You can give away all these bonuses if you get in the right level. You can give away all these bonuses and build whatever business you want, learning the skills you learn in the back office of the team system. And not only will you learn it, you can give these away and they can learn it too. They can meet with the number one earner in this company. A guy that consistently, not just isn't just a one-off. He's been on leaderboards for years and years and years and years, and he's teaching everybody exactly how to win and brand yourself. For you to become the leader everybody wants. Teaching you the step-by-step system. Why is Affiliate Mentor the number one? Oh, and it's going to become real popular soon. Wednesday, they're going to be dropping new updates. They just got Mac Mills. He was given a position in the very top. So people are going to start promoting this. But why wouldn't you want to be with the best person that's going to help you day in and day out? I'm not saying Mac isn't amazing and he's not going to make a lot of money. Oh, he is. But wouldn't you want to be with the person that's going to help you day in and day out and help all your people and help their people? Why is Affiliate Mentor going to be so amazing? Well, we're not exactly sure what they're doing, but they're about to drop a big, huge update. And Everybody and their mama is going to be promoting this, including Mac Mills. I'm not exactly sure what's going to happen, but it's happening soon, and it's going to be exciting, and people are going to start promoting this. Why? I'm not sure exactly what they're adding, but what they do have is they are traffic. They are traffic gurus, and they're going to help you day in and day out get eyeballs to your offer. And that's important. If you can't do that, you're not going to consistently succeed in this business. And if you're sending out solos to a capture page, again, you're not branding you. You're not building a relationship with these people. This is what this guy teaches you, and you get this as one of our many free bonuses. You also get us, depending on what level you're in, building not only giving you free clicks, free traffic, and free sales eventually to your capture page. Now we're gonna add that, but we'll also build you a capture page where you can offer this bonus to everybody else. We will build any business. We'll teach you how to build any business and make you the leader. But you got to get plugged in. You got to stop banging your head on the wall trying to succeed when we give you the blueprint day in and day out, exactly how to build not only this business, but any business, not just now, but in the future. Once you do it, you can replicate it, right? This is JJ Saleh, aka John Saleh, aka your friend neighborhood Salaman. This is my affiliate mentor, home-based business review, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.